Hey there, Heather here from Portland Volvo with a certified pre-owned 2020 Volvo XC90 T6 Momentum in Denim Blue Metallic with a blonde leather interior. This has less than 30,000 miles on it. It's got load bars on top, so you're all set for some ski racks or to put a box on top for additional cargo space. Check out that moon. This has sweet 21-inch wheels. Safety features like cross traffic alert with auto braking, city safety collision avoidance, lane keeping aid, that's an active lane keeping aid, blind spot information system. All of those features are part of the IntelliSafe system that will keep you safe on the road this winter. This is a 7-seat SUV, but I have the back folded down so you can see how much space there is. Panoramic sunroof. The cross traffic alert with auto braking, so if you're pulling out of a tricky driveway or a crowded parking lot and you don't see something coming, those sensors on the side will actually notice if something is coming from 10 meters out, and if you're starting to pull out and someone is driving by, the car will actually apply the brakes and you will stop immediately as to not get into an accident. This has illuminated door handles, and the lights on the front, your running lights will light up when you approach the vehicle. I love these dark wood inlays. This has the climate package, so your back seats are heated and your front seats are heated. And you get this beautiful leather wrapped steering wheel that is also heated. A little power here, cup holders. I love that dark wood inlay. It looks great with the blonde leather. This has pilot assist with adaptive cruise control. So this is where I'm going to be hitting the buttons. So if you're driving along on the highway and you get up to speed, once you engage the cruise control, you'll be able to hit the right arrow, and that will activate the pilot assist. And well, let me do it right now. But anyway, the pilot assist will give you control over the car, control over the acceleration and the brakes, and will keep you at a safe distance from the car in front of you and in between the lines on the road. So it's a semi-autonomous drive mode, and you can go a little bit closer to the cars in front of you with the up button, or a little bit further away from that button. This has Volvo voice control. This is your home screen here. You've got navigation, easy to use. Set your destination here. If you're going on a road trip, point of interest. Your heated steering wheel and heated seat controls are there. And then off to the right, this has Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, so you'll be able to use this screen as a giant version of your phone, and you can always move these around to suit your needs. If you'd rather have the Apple CarPlay right up front, or your text messages, maybe you'd like that there instead. You can move it around however you'd like. And then if you drop this down into settings, There are so many different options to customize this to suit your needs. And if you are interested in this XC90, it is stock number 6250A. PortlandVolvo.com has all the details. I'll also add a link in the description box below so we can get this into your driveway, upgrade your ride. Thanks for watching from Portland Volvo, and we'll see you soon.